boys and girls, and welcome to Gorm Guitar and to a beautiful song, really great, from ODESZA featuring MARO, called Better Now. So this one is about 3 chords, and yeah, hence the long introduction here, because it's a very addicting song to play, great chords, and yeah, lovely song. So let's start this tutorial right away. It's about 3 chords like we mentioned, and we'll start with a standard E. That will be open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. Alright, then we have this beautiful chord here, the B minor 11. So you do here 7th fret on E string, and with that finger, the middle finger, you mute the next string, the A. You get that sound, you just lean it on top of the string. And then we have 7th on D, 7th on G, 5th on B, and open E. So it's one of those open chords, the B minor 11, that's the style here. And then we have the final chord here, it's an A6 sus2. Great name, very easy to play. So it's 5th on E string, then you mute the A string with that finger you use on the E string, you just lean it on top, so you get that sound. And then we have 4th on D string, and then you mute the next string again, the G string, with that finger you use there on the D string. And then we have finally open B and open E. So you mute the A string and the G string with the fingers you're holding here on the E and D. Alright, so those are the chords. E, the B minor 11, and the A6 chord. Okay, so we have just a basic strumming pattern, and that will work for this song through the entire song, these chords. And let's grab an E chord. The strumming will be down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so it's down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Alright, so down, down. Here I'm gonna play the first down on the bass strings and the second down on the middle top strings down here. And then the up, down, up usually played middle and top strings there as well. So just the first one on bass and the rest in the middle and top. In that way you give this song some variation in the sound. So yeah, that is how it's done. So how many times? You do 2 strumming rounds for E, 1 for the B minor 11 and 1 for the A6. And that's pretty much it for the song, guys. A beautiful song here, and it's very, very playable. So I'm gonna go and dive right into this one. So okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget, play tuned.